Okay students, today our topic is chemical properties of acid and base. In previous class, we discussed about acid, base and salt and some physical properties of acid and base. Today, we discuss the reaction of acid and base. Now, first property of acid, reaction with metal. When metal react with acid, then we get salt and hydrogen gas. Salt and hydrogen gas. For example, acid, take acid H2SO4, the name is sulfuric acid, and a metal zinc. Then we get zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. This reaction is also the example of displacement reaction. Other example, when hydrochloric acid react with metal zinc, then we get zinc chloride, which is a salt, and hydrogen gas. Here it is clear that when a metal react with acid or a acid react with metal, then two products are formed. Number one, a salt, and number two, a hydrogen gas. And the first property of base is also same like acid. When base react with metal, then we get a salt and hydrogen gas. We can say when acid or base react with metal, then we get same product, a hydrogen gas and a salt. Now second property of acid or base is when acid react with metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate, then we get salt, carbon dioxide and water. Take example, when hydrochloric acid react with sodium carbonate, which is a metal carbonate, then we get sodium chloride, which is a salt, carbon dioxide and water. Take another example, when hydrochloric acid react with metal bicarbonate like sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, then we get sodium chloride, which is a salt, carbon dioxide and water. It is clear that when a metal react with metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, then we get three products. Number one, salt, number two, carbon dioxide, and number three, water. Now the second property of base, reaction with metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate. When base react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate or metal bicarbonate, then no product is formed. In other words, we can say base when base react with metal carbonate, metal bicarbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, then no reaction exists. Our next property is reaction of acid and base with each other. This property is very important for examination. Reaction of acid and base, also known as neutralization reaction. When an acid react with base, then we get two products, number one salt and number two water. And the reaction between acid and base, is also known as neutralization reaction. Take example, when hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, which is a base, then we get sodium chloride, which is a salt, and water. Acid and base two types के होते हैं. Number one, weak acid or weak base, and number two, strong acid and strong base. When strong acid react with weak base, then we get acidic salt. Product or also two, a salt and water, but the nature of salt will be acidic. And when weak acid react with strong base, then produce salt will be basic salt. And when strong acid react with strong base, then the nature of salt will be neutral. When weak acid react with weak base, then the nature of salt will be neutral. So we can say when strong acid or strong base react with each other, then formed salt will be neutral. Or when a weak acid react with weak base, then formed salt will be also neutral. And when a strong acid react with weak base, the nature of formed salt will be acidic. And when weak acid react with strong base, the nature of salt will be basic. Is this clear? If you have any query, then you ask me. My WhatsApp number. Thank you.